Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the new update for 99 Steal of Brainrot. And basically what we're going to be doing is just going over the graveyards and simply just digging them. Once you dig the graveyards, it will like blow up and you will get candy corns. And once you get candy corns, you want to basically just keep doing this for all the graveyards. They roll, respawn. You can't like actually go down. But anyway, just keep, digging the graveyards, and the map will obviously change as well. But the main thing is that you are getting the candy corns. And yeah, so that's basically it. You can also trick or treat as well. So, let's see. Okay, so trick or treating also gives you graveyards. So there's, also gives you candy corns. So there's a lot of things that give you candy corn. Let's see. Okay, so just be careful because people definitely take this time, with all the chaos to steal your Brainrots. But the main thing is you want to dig the graveyards, and you want to also go trick or treating because this will give you candy corn. Now I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure as of where you're actually supposed to spend the candy corn. Probably a shop somewhere nearby, so let's just keep an eye out for that. Let's see. Okay, I would assume, no, it's not in the normal shop. It's not, so it is lucky, but it's right here. So you need to get 500, candy corn for that. Okay, so that's nice. So once you get the 500 candy corn, you basically get the lucky block, spooky lucky block. Okay, so yeah, so that should be for you. That's how to get candy corn in the game. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.